Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to check some of the electronics components with the multi-tester. Okay, so here first I'm going to start from the fuse, which is very simple. So this fuse is good one. Just how to confirm and test, you can check with the multi-tester like this. You have to bring the meter in the continuity range, and this probe, you touch both of the side of fuse and it will give the reading. If it's not good, that is bad, but it's giving the reading, so this fuse is fine. Okay, and now I am going to test this one, bridge diode. This is called bridge diode. I'm going to test this one. Okay, I will show you now. You can see the meter reading here. So this positive point, I am touching on the positive point of, this is the positive point with the cut. You can see the cut here. So this is the positive point of the bridge diode, and this is a negative, and this is 2 for AC input. Now I'm connecting this positive wire on the positive point of the bridge diode and the negative one on the negative, so the reading is going, so it will be normal. But if when I invert the wire and if you give the reading, then it is short. So I will check now, and you can see now I invert the wires and it's not showing here, but I will check now another point also, because you have to check here also. So this point is okay, but here see, here it is short, here also it is short, so it means this bridge diode is bad. Okay, I will show you in the good one. So this bridge diode is a new one. I will show you. When I connect this here on the positive, it will go as usual, it will give the reading, give reading here as well. And now when I invert this, it will not give any reading. As you can see, here no reading, here no reading. So it means this one is a good one. Now I'm going to check this resistor, sorry. So this resistor is bad. As you can see, this is also old one. And now I will check this, and it will not show anything. You can see the needle, it will not move. This is 22 ohms resistor, and I set the range here, and you can see it's not moving, not giving any reading. So this one is also bad. I'm going to check a new one. This is, I have one 33 ohms resistor. So I will check this. You can see the needle will move when I touch this probes, both of the end of the resistor. See? So this resistor is a good one. Okay. I have another resistor. This is 75 ohms. It will show little bit reading here. When I connect this, you can see this is damaged. It's not giving any reading. I will set it on 10, even no reading. No reading here. So I will take, this is a 75 ohms resistor. I will take a new one and I will show you. Now when I connect this here, you can see the needle is moving. So this is how you test the resistor on the multimeter. This one is a good one. Now this one, I have a high range resistor. It is about 150k. So I have to set it the range more, up to 10. Otherwise it will not show anything. So now you can see there is this one is moving little bit, the needle, sorry. Here I will set this, see. So this is also good resistor, but you have to check in on high range. Now I'll bring this back here and I will check these two diodes. I have one bad diode and one good one. This one a bad diode. I will show you. This is the mark which is positive, and when I connect this here and connect this here, it will show that is usual. When I invert, it should not be show. But now when I invert this and I'm bringing this, see, this is short. This diode is short. I will show you one good one. This is the another diode I have. So you can see this is the mark here for positive. I'm going to connect this first positive here and negative here. Okay, you can see the reading is there, but when I invert this cable here and this cable here, it will not show. So this is how you can check the diode. This diode is good one. Now I have some MOSFETs here. These MOSFETs, first I will check this one and I will touch this here, the probe, and it will be showing little. You can see the needle is moving and here also is moving, and when I invert this it will go moving. So this is bad one. I have another one. This is also I will check now, and this is also, see, this is moving. It is also moving here. This is also short. So now I will show you the good one. The good one, how to test, I will tell you. First you connect this and you can see the reading here, no reading here, and here no reading. Now when I touch this black here, the reading is coming. Before there is no reading. So this is a switching actually. I will let you know how to discharge it, and then you will short these three pins, and now there will be no reading here. You can see there is no reading. But first I will check with this black, even this is short or not. So I will touch here, it will give the reading here. Okay, here no reading, and when I invert this, even there is no reading. Okay, but when I touch this black on the last one, it will on, and like this I will touch here, it will on and it will give the reading. That's mean this MOSFET is good. There is some component that I checked with the multimeter tester. Hope you like this video. Thanks very much.